Hello kitties. I'm repping Syntho or Anorexia and or I call it cellophane. Syntho, the cheapest color here that you can get. And this is the 3D effect of how it is. This is like over 3 years old and it's 2 hairstyles. I use this hair like 2 times. So it was 2 packs for like $1.99. And then I French braided the regular hair to the back. And what I did was I used the latch. Stab your eye out. You see what's that? I used the latch for $1. And I used the latch and I latched it in. But what you do is, if you want to read from the book and I do it natural, latch a French bun with the color Cell Pref with the color bun so people can see your imperfections and all your flaws. So yeah, with your flaws, and you can take, I wouldn't take it down, but I wear my ponytail and my 3D effect. So this is the hair for the next 3 years. Check it, yes, chat. Smudges, bitches.